Hi, I'm Andre, and today I'm making a spaceship. My friend Ricardo made a mobile game. You can actually download it. It's called Pod Hero, and you have a little spaceship and you race through the courses. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, he asked me if I could make a physical model of the fastest, best ship in the game. So I asked another friend to 3D print it for me. Thank you, Dave. And I'm gonna start by cleaning it up, and then I'm gonna try to finish it and etc. So let's get to it. So that's free from the support material. The print's quite nice. It just didn't print the aileron and some parts here in the back. It was the aileron here that didn't print. But it's a spaceship, so you don't really need downforce. So that's it, the little spaceship is done. I'm going to send this to Ricardo and hopefully you'll enjoy it. I tried to put as many layers and weathering as I could, but I've never done it before and I only had 2 colors. So I think it came out alright. I'll give you some close-up shots now. I wanted to go for kind of like a dirty look, so to look like the spaceship has actually been racing in a dirty environment, dusty sort of thing. So, I mean, for the first attempt, I think it came out alright. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.